Then next, Kagyu. Kagyu lineage mainly come from Naropa. At the Lama Marba, or Tibetan, he received teaching from many Indian masters, and particularly his sort of the mathematical philosophy is concerned from Mitiba. So very clear, the Mitiba is the holder of the Jandakitis view, like that. Then the Kagyu Chakja Chambul, Sunzane, Chakja Chambula, Giluli Chakja Sunguyare. That is Chakjela Donga Nietzsche. Don't young bell on the Chakja Chambu. This is all in the woman down Gongoshiore. Dawgata Chakja Shisach, the one, the Nezu Dame Guyare, Choyum Guyare. Then Tumumoim, but they not were said the training. Now Churugange, Vesakomiatua. Oh, that Teda, that Teen Yamnitaya Della, any Chakja Chambosa, Mahamudras at the tree.
So
that's also the Numalheji Lotini, that Nanjo more game.
So one of the key teachings of the Kagyu tradition is the Mahamudra teachings. And although Mahamudra teachings can be found also in the Gelug school as well, but in Kagyu teachings, Mahamudra is the essential instruction. And when we speak of the term Mahamudra or the Great Seal, this can be applied in the context of Sutra teachings and also in the Vajrayana Tantric teachings. When it is used in the Sutra context, then Mahamudra refers to meditation on emptiness, particularly emptiness. And however, in the Kagyu teachings, when the term Mahamudra is used, it's being used in this Vajrayana sense, where the key point is to really utilize the innate mind of clear light into a realization of the nature of mind. And so the emphasis is really on the cultivation and development and also a realization of this innate mind of clear light.